Hello everyone, good evening. This is our project DTC Southern Heights at Joka on Diamond Harbour Road near upcoming Joka metro station. So you can see this is the main entry door, and this side you can have your TV unit. So this is the living area, living room. Now come this side. This is the separate dining room, beautifully designed and decorated and smart utilization. Here you can have your big dining window, and this side you will be having your first bedroom, common toilet, kitchen area, and this side is the dressing area, and that is the master bedroom, and this side you will be having your balcony. So this is the balcony space. So again, see, this is the beautiful dining hall. This side, this is the kitchen space. So come inside the kitchen. It's a rectangle shaped kitchen with black granite countertop. And now come again, just beside the kitchen, this is the common toilet area. Beautiful tile selection and maximum utilization of space. And just adjacent to that, this is the first bedroom. So this is the first bedroom along with windows on both the sides. So come inside. So this is the first bedroom, beautifully decorated and designed. And this side you can decorate your wardrobe like this. And come outside. So this side is your dressing area. You can decorate like this. And this is the second bedroom or master bedroom. So come inside. It's a beautiful master bedroom with having windows on both the side again, and a king size bed, you can see, and a very big size wardrobe space over here. And this side, this is the dressing area, and this is the attached toilet along with this master bedroom. So see, this is the attached toilet area with basin space, separate space for western commode, and separate shower space. So it's a beautiful flat with having 2 bedrooms with 2 toilets, with having separate living room which you can convert as a bedroom, with having smartly designed, no lobby space, no wastage as such. So thanks for watching. If you are interested, then please call as early as possible, because we are having very limited number of units left at this moment. So thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day. Please share and subscribe for further updates.